How to take a screenshot or a long screenshot using S Pen on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. First of all, remove the S Pen on a Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra device. To take a screenshot of any page, open any page or screen on your device. You can use the S Pen button. Long press the S Pen and move your S Pen like this to take a screenshot. Now you can see take a screenshot on your device. You can also edit like this. Select the color, enter any text you want to add on a device on a screenshot. Also, you can capture the long screenshot by open any multiple pages at the same time. Let's see here we open the settings app. Here you can see this is the very long page. To take a multiple screenshot or scrolling screenshot using S Pen, long press the S Pen button and move like this. Now you can see the scrolling screenshot button. Tap on it. Now you can see scroll capture again. Tap on it. So you can tap on it until you want take a screenshot. Here you can see the screenshot. After then tap on done. Now here you can edit on the screenshot. Tap the pencil icon. Also share with your friends, family member or save on your device. Here we edit. Tap on it. Here you can select the color. Here we select blue color. Now enter any text like this you want on a screenshot. Also back or remove. Tap on this arrow to save in your gallery. You can find the photo. Tap on it to view the save screenshot on your device. So it's quite easy to take a screenshot or a long screenshot using S Pen gesture on Samsung S24 Ultra. That's it. If you like it, share it.